Hey guys, it's Oksana with Craft & More Design. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Wow, that was not good.
Now I'ma tell the world, tell them, I'ma tell it everywhere I go. Tell the world, tell them, yeah, I'm a billboard.
Let's get started. These are 10 things that you need to get started with sublimation. All right, number one, you need a sublimation printer. So I actually converted my Epson. I will post my description link right above so you can go watch it. I converted mine. It works awesome. I've had it for years. Or you can just get yourself a regular sublimation printer so you don't have to do all of that. So number one, you need your printer. Number two, you need your sublimation ink. I actually have a Hippo brand here. I did review this in comparison to some other inks that I've had, and this is found on Amazon. It's awesome, super vivid, super bright. You do need some sublimation ink. Number three, you need some refillable ink cartridges. The black one will typically be the biggest, and then you will have the others that you will also be able to fill. So you get to fill them up as often as you need, and my ink literally lasts forever. Number four, I would say get yourself some travel bottles. This is not super necessary because every now and then when you do use them, they start spilling, and I don't like touching ink. I'm pretty sure nobody else does either. So I like to just put them in refillable bottles like this so they're nice and clean. And when I'm ready to refill my cartridges, I just go and pull from these. Number five, you do need a heat press. So I have used several different heat presses over the course of all my years sublimating. I have started out with the 5-in-1, and I would not recommend those for beginners. They're kind of a lot to finagle with. So get yourself a basic heat press that does one function. You could do a lot with just that one set, such as ornaments or coasters or pillows, shirts, hoodies, all of that. So it's a really, really good beginner. Number six, I think, you will need a heat resistant glove just like this, or anything that you can find on Amazon. Remember that you are working with heat that's anywhere from 350 degrees to 400 degrees, and it is so hot, and you literally will burn your fingers. I don't always use mine, but I do recommend it as a beginner, especially while you're kind of learning the ropes of it all. Protect your hands, get yourself a heat glove or two. So that is number, I don't even know. But next, sublimation paper. This is my favorite brand of all time. I purchased this on Amazon. I would say you need to have a 8.5 by 11 size and an 11 by 17. Get yourself some good quality sublimation paper. You do need some parchment paper. So I have this giant roll that I buy on Amazon. You can use parchment paper or Teflon. This is to protect your work. You would put it in between, let's just say your pillowcase or your t-shirt or your hoodie or whatever you're working with, and then you would also put it on top. This not only protects your blank, but it also protects your heat press from things like bleeding or ghosting. I always have both because I never know which ones I want to use. All right, next item, I would say get some sublimation tape. This is super cheap. It's like $6 to $8. There's different sizes. There's also a sublimation tape dispenser. I would say definitely get both of those. It will last you a long time. Last but not least, you will need some blanks. So I will actually post this video right above of blanks that you can find at Dollar Tree. That way you can just do some practice runs with items that are very cheap before you do more expensive items. Here are some examples. These are coasters, ornaments. These are super popular sellers for the Christmas time. Obviously, I have my pillows, and I basically sell my pillows anywhere from like $20 to $30. Ornaments are anywhere from $8 to $12, sometimes more. I mean, you can make a lot of return back on your items. Obviously, t-shirts, hoodies, a blank photo tile. So there are a lot of really beautiful blanks that you can use. So I would say that is something you do need because obviously sublimation only works with certain materials, polyester, ceramics, things of that sort. I guess I covered everything. Well, cool. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Let me know what you're asking for Christmas, and be sure to give this video a thumbs up. I cover videos on sublimation, home decor, DIY projects. Subscribe, hit that notification bell, and boom, I'll see you guys next time.